Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Menace game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once your graphics drivers are updated, now launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility. Here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check if this fixes the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. But the issue continues, then come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So search for the game where the game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application and add it to the list over here. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and you have to wait for some time. After your Windows is updated to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on downloads, so go below. Here you can see clear cache option, click on it. This will clear the download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam once again, so confirm it and after that log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you are suggested to check for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description, just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. It will download Visual C++ files. After that, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now after this, close it and restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if there is an antivirus software installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and you cannot play the game. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder. Here is the game application. Add it to the list over here. Now after the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Menace game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and then launch Steam and reinstall Menace game once again, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Menace game crashing at startups, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.